We both know that she wasn't cheating on you. But remember, thinking this way isn't helping anybody. I don't like that.
Yeah.
We both know that she wasn't cheating on you. What's the last line?
Remember.
Oh, yeah, remember.
Remember.
I can't remember. Thank you for taking. Immediately, bro.
2, 1, action.
Hey, Dr. Kirshner. Let's reset that.
Yeah, let's reset. 3, 2, 1, action. I know this has been hard on you, but it's been a year now, Nathan. You have to move on.
I'm out of focus.
It's all good. 3, 2, 1, action.
Yeah?
Sorry. We can cut it.
I'll get it.
Don't have this cheese.
You don't know what it is when you see it.
Your specials that come up because of the fries or something.
Yeah.
Take 3, action.
You know why. Oh, let's do it one more time.
2, action.
Alright, we're good.